Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to use this laptop as a monitor for another PC. First of all, you have to make sure that both PCs are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and I recommend using 2.4, so regular Wi-Fi networks, not the 5 GHz ones. And once you do that, open the start menu and go to settings on your HP. Then select system and scroll down to optional features. Open this menu, then click view features, click yes, then tap see available features at the top, and then search for the wireless display feature. And once you find it, I do not have it here because I already installed it, but once you have it here, you have to hit the checkbox next to it and select add, and then wait until this feature is added to your computer. It's gonna take a while, but it's gonna work eventually. So once you do that, open the system menu once again on the left side of your window, and then select projecting to this PC. Now change this option to either available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks if you're using a secure network, and then you don't have to change it if you don't want to. If you want this laptop to be discovered for projection when it's unplugged from the charging from the power source, you have to switch this toggle to the left. And right now we can switch to the other PC. So once we switch to another PC, first make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then use the combination of Windows and P buttons pressed simultaneously. This will not P but Windows and K buttons pressed simultaneously. This will open the cast menu or the cast settings, and right now you have to wait until your HP appears on the available displays list. And once your HP appears on this list, tap on it, and then once you connect to it, confirm this action on your HP by clicking OK. And right now, everything that happens on this PC's screen is projected to your HP. So the projection quality is pretty stable, as you can see. Still, it is not for watching videos, rather for showing presentations or some more static elements. Let's check how YouTube would work. And as you can see right here on this example, the projection is quite stable, though I'd still recommend using this projection type for static images only. And that's basically how you do it. Now, to disconnect this PC from your HP, you have to either press Windows K on this laptop and then select disconnect, or you can simply hover your mouse over to the top of the display on your HP and close this window, and this will also stop the projection. And that's basically how it works. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.